This short video shows you how to use the Smart Blood Analytics Swiss products. To start, enter the patient's details, including their birth year and biological sex. After creating the patient's profile, you can import blood test results by using the unique alphanumerical code generated by our partner laboratories, or you can add blood test results manually. Select the date of the blood test and choose the correct units. Make sure to select whether or not your patient is receiving treatment, as therapy can significantly change blood test results and therefore, results of the SBAS products. Then, enter the value for each blood parameter. Note that you will only be able to enter blood parameters that appear in our database. Type in the name and the value of the parameter. Suggested names will pop up to speed up this process. Make sure to choose the correct units and click Add Parameter. You must enter a minimum of 30 blood parameters that appear in our database. If the blood test contains more than 30 blood parameters, make sure to enter them all. Once you're done, choose the model you wish to use. In this case, based on this patient's symptoms, the physician chooses the neurology SBAS software model. The SBAS software report will be generated in a few seconds. The report contains a table and a pie chart displaying the 10 most likely diseases characterized by two descriptors, ranking factor and parameter evidence. The higher the ranking factor, the more likely the disease is, according to the model and data being used. Parameter evidence shows whether the submitted blood parameters support the specific disease. The higher the positive number in the parameter evidence column, the more in favor the parameters are for that disease. Under the Parameter Contribution tab, you will find which parameter contributed the most to the particular SBAS software decision. Additionally, the SBAS software report is equipped with a patient-tailored recommender system, providing a list of informative unmeasured blood parameters that are of great significance for the specific disease. It offers valuable insight relevant to the targeted disease. By focusing on these informative markers, it enhances the understanding of the diseases, nuances, and aids in personalized health management. You can also look into a carefully curated compilation of the symptoms, signs, and comorbidities significant to each of the top 10 predicted diseases. In addition to the SBAS software, the web app also includes a virus versus bacteria model. Results are presented in the form of a pie chart and scored between 0 and 100%. It uses only 17 routine blood tests, biological sex, and age to suggest the likelihood of viral and bacterial infection. After you have run all the desired models, make sure you combine the results with the symptoms and anamnesis of the patient and with the results of any other medical procedures to help you find the correct final diagnosis of the patient. If you have any additional questions about SBAS products or if you would like to become our partner laboratory, contact us at support@sba-swiss.com.